So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a slip knot and I'll chain 2. I'm gonna make 6 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Join to the initial chain with a slip stitch. I'm gonna chain 1 and I will make 2 single crochet in every stitch to get 12 stitches total. I will join to the initial chain 1 with a slip stitch again. Now we're gonna start the decrease of the 2 single crochet. So I'm gonna chain 1. I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and I will repeat. 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch until the end of the round. And join to the initial chain with a slip stitch again. Round 4, I'm gonna chain 1. Again we'll start with 2 single crochet in the first stitch, and I will follow with 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches. And I will repeat 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches till the end of the round. And here I'm at the end of the row, and I will join with a slip stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4th row. So the 5th row again, I'm gonna start with 2 single crochet in the first stitch, like in every round, not row, round. Now I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in the following 3 stitches. So in every round, the number of single crochet in a stitch increases by 1. So in the third row, it was in the next 2 stitches 1 single crochet. Now in the fourth row, in the next 3 stitches. In the fifth row, in the next 4 stitches, and so on till round 12. We keep decreasing the number, the number of single crochet by 1 in every row till round 12. So here in the next 3 stitches. And again 2 single crochet in the following stitch. So here I have finished 12 rounds of round circle, and this is the 12th round where I did 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 10 stitches, and repeat. So I increased the number of single crochet in a stitch by 1 till I got to 10 in number. So this is how you keep your circle flat, by increasing the single crochet in a stitch by 1 in every round till you get to the required number. So this is for medium size beanie. I have done till 12 round. If you want a tight beanie, you can stop at round 11. For larger one, you can add one more row or 2. For smaller, you minus 1 row, like till row 10, for example, around 10. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna shape the beanie. So for the next 11 rounds, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain 1, and I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in every stitch. No more 2 single crochet in a stitch, only 1 single crochet in every stitch for the next 11 rounds. So here I'm done with the 11th round of the single crochet, and now what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna turn my beanie facing me, and I'm gonna chain 1, and I'll be working only on the back loop of the single crochet. So I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in every back loop. So this one is the first one and most challenging. Single crochet and single crochet in every back loop. Till we come back to the starting point. And here is the last stitch. and join with the slip stitch to the chain 1. So now what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna chain 1, working on the single crochet, no more back loop. I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 8 stitches, and I will repeat 2 single crochet in 1 stitch and 1 single crochet in the following 8 stitches until the end of the round. Join with the slip stitch to the first chain 1 space. So now what I'm gonna do for the next 8 rounds, I'm gonna single crochet in every stitch. Only 1 single crochet in every stitch for the next 8 rounds. So here are the last 2 stitches of the brim, and I'm gonna slip stitch and fasten off, and I'm gonna hide my threads. Okay. And this is the final look of the sailor hat. Very pretty one to be worn. Very nice and easy, with a tall brim. So this is the final look of the sailor hat. Very nice and stylish hat to wear. It's different than any other hat. One of the hats you can add to your library of crochet patterns. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.